we are still in this trade here based on the 1-hour candle closing bearish. So technically speaking, this candle should also continue moving bearish, and overall the 4-hour candle should continue moving bearish as well. The daily candle is also bearish. It should continue moving bearish as well. So now the 4-hour candle is moving bearish. 1-hour candle has broken the low of the previous 1-hour candle a little bit. The 30-minute candle has broken the low of the previous 30-minute candle. The new 30-minute candle has formed. Now see, now this 30-minute candle should respect the high of the previous 30-minute candle. So this is another opportunity to take some more sells, because if you look on the 30-minute candle, this is now closed below all the previous 30-minute candles. You know, so now this is an opportunity where you can say, okay, perfect. This makes sense. The probability of price to continue down is higher than price to go up. You know, so this keeps you in the trade. While you're in the trade, what you want to do is you want to probably protect your stops here as well. And as your position starts to go in profits, you start taking them off the table, like, 10 pips, 11 pips. So good to go. 30-minute candle has closed, and we're moving down, closing 12 pips here, 12 pips over here. We have a runner, which is 16 pips and 20 pips and 21 pips. We're closing 21 pips and 18 pips and running down. We're going to close half the position over here and put stop the break even. Oh, that was fun. All right, close this, put stops at break even, and let the runner run. Sold! Yeah, letting the runner run, and yeah, I mean, the run is running now. So if we zoom out on the 4-hour, we are coming down, and let's go to see how this hour closes. Oh wow, this hour actually closed in 40 pips. So we're going to close this position right here. That was our trade for the day. Let's see what happens next. Oh, what the fuck? GJ. Wow. GJ. All right. Let's go to our last trade here. Oh, god damn. It actually went up. So this is 3 a.m. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 a.m. Eastern. So we have taken 4 trades, 1 loss, and 3 wins. The daily has rejected. The daily has entered this area here, 145.887, which seems like a good resistance area. What we're going to do is we're going to now look at the 4-hour chart and see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. So we're going to remove all this garbage because we have to do analysis again. All right, so remove all this, remove all this. Right? So first of all, step number 1, we have resistance on the daily and we have support on the daily. Step number 1 on the 4-hour is to identify a, well, price is going up, so we have to identify a support. So maybe a support could be somewhere over here, because this was resistance. Remember where these candles rejected, so this might be some sort of a support, right? Now, if price is heading up, where will it head off to? Maybe we have this area here, and then we have maybe this area here. Now keep that in mind. These are some very big areas, man. So we have to measure this. This is like 70, 60 pips away. God damn. This is like 40, 50 pips away. Yeah, these are pretty big areas. So we have to stay calm, and we have to understand that, okay, what's going to happen and how can we, do things here. But so far, what we see here is that price made a high, right? Price made a high. Now, think about this, right? Price made a high, and price has to make a low to then retest that high. That's going to be the trade. So now when we're looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have some more information. Look at this, man. We have some awesome information here. That 1-hour candles, this is actually going to be the best trade. This is going to be the trade of the day here. If this creates a support here to go up to retest this high, this is going to be the perfect trade that we have learned. Awesome. So we got to wait for price to come down here, because this was resistance on the 1 hour. Price broke it. It has to come down and then go up. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Wait and see what happens. Yeah, we gotta wait. Look at this 30-minute chart. 30-minute is like this. Let's bring this up a little bit here. Bring this up over here. Ooh, wow, man, this thing is twitching. Yeah, we have to wait for this to close. We need a bullish close here. Without a bullish close, we can't do anything. Remember that. We need a bullish close to take buys. Without a bullish close, we can't do anything. Price made a high, and our only aim is to see if we get a confirmation here for price to go up to retest that high. That's all what we're looking for today, mates. So this candle is about to close. If this candle closes bullish, we can take a buy. 3, 2, and 1. And 1. Nice. We have a bullish candle close on the 30-minute. So what did we learn in our this little webinar here? What did we learn? Price makes a high, price comes down, makes a support, candle closes bullish, and then there's a high chance price will go up to retest that high. So bon voyage, mate. Bon voyage. Bon voyage, mate. We shall continue on to the promised land and get those highs. There we go. We got 12 pips over here. We're secure. We're securing positions, and we're letting one run to see. I'm actually going to close this half over here because what if it comes down, right? Yeah. And we say bon voyage. 20 pips. Yep. That was just perfect. God damn. Oh, see this 30-minute candle making higher highs and higher lows? This just increases its chances to continue moving higher. So let's take a look at the 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle is still bullish. If this 1 hour candle closes bullish, man, this is going to be the trade of the fucking day. Trust me. Trust your man, Raja, man. Trust me. Look at this. This is going up. Candle's about to close in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. We have this candle closed. The 1 hour candle has closed bullish, right? Now, oh, fuck. Yeah, this is a big ass stop loss. Perfect. So what we can do is, since the 1 hour candle has closed bullish, we can trail our stop up now, right? We can trail our stop up. We can trail our stop up now and, you know, maybe take another entry once price comes down to this area, so we can take another entry. Because if this 1 hour candle has closed bullish, there is a 100% chance price will come up here and retest that high. There's a 100% chance that that's going to happen. So that's the idea we're going to go off of, and we're going to wait and see what happens here, because we want a better entry here to take a buy, because, you know, 30-minute candles are making higher highs and higher lows, and this is just amazing, man. Look at this. Look at this price. This is going to come down, and we're going to take a buy and put a stop below the 1 hour candle, and this is going to continue moving up. By the way, I do appreciate for people sticking here for the hair with me. It's been 3 hours. You know, I do appreciate it. But we got to get this trade done, man. This is going to be the full margin trade. But keeping in mind that even though this is going to be the full margin trade, doesn't count if you look at our P&L, 8% in 4 days. Okay? 8% in 4 days, 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 losses. All right. So this is just concepts being used, what we've learned in the webinar. All right. So we're going to do a full margin trade over here. All right. We're coming down. Come on down. Okay. So put a stop below this 1 hour candle. 9 pips. Let's do like 9.5. 9.5. Actually, we won't do full margin. We'll do like a little less margin. So see this 1 hour candle closed with no wick at the bottom. When a candle closes with no wick at the bottom, please make a note of this, please. When candle closes with no wick at the bottom, this means there's no range for the next candle to go down. And Astro FX